Grilled ribeye steaks with garlic butter are a delicious and savory dish that is perfect for steak lovers. Here's a recipe to help you prepare this mouth-watering dish. Ingredients: 2 ribeye steaks, about 1 to 1.5 inches thick, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened, 4 cloves garlic, minced, salt and black pepper, to taste, optional, fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary for garnish. Instructions. 1. Preheat your grill to high heat. Make sure the grates are clean and well oiled to prevent sticking. 2. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter and minced garlic. Mix well until the garlic is evenly distributed throughout the butter. Add salt and pepper to taste. 3. Season the ribeye steaks generously with salt and black pepper on both sides. Press the seasoning into the meat to ensure it sticks. 4. Place the seasoned steaks on the preheated grill. For a medium rare steak, cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Adjust the cooking time based on your desired level of doneness. You can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature: 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius for rare, 130 degrees Fahrenheit 54 degrees Celsius for medium rare, 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius for medium, and so on. 5. While the steaks are cooking, take half of the garlic butter mixture and spread it over the top of the steaks. This will add flavor and help baste the steaks as they cook. 6. Flip the steaks and spread the remaining garlic butter mixture over the other side. Continue grilling for the remaining cooking time. 7. Once the steaks reach your desired level of doneness, remove them from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. 8. Optional. Garnish the steaks with fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary for an added burst of flavor and presentation. 9. Serve the grilled ribeye steaks hot with your favorite sides like roasted potatoes, grilled vegetables, or a crisp salad. Enjoy your delicious grilled ribeye steaks with garlic butter.